This is the first time I've seen a sunflower with a lot of sunflower babies. That's the mama, and then surrounds there are the babies. Here, right there. Like it's a lot of babies. Got this one too. So I believe this is pretty unusual. Sunflower get babies. And I got one right there too. That's the tallest one I've got. And then I have one coming, that one. And that one is the very first sunflower I got. I need to put some stakes on that one because it is tilting. And this one too. That one. So these are my sunflowers along with my garden, vegetable garden, and my fruits. I have grapes, I have blueberries, I have raspberry, and that's my calamundin.